We had some great inflationary numbers come in today. The stock market, it did okay. Also with the bond market, I thought the bond market would take off on this new CPI number. So the headlines that we had this morning was saying consumer inflation came all the way down, and I'm getting a lot of grief from people out there. They're saying, Dan, yeah, inflation isn't down. You know, here he comes again, just spouting off all this stuff. Guys, let me just show you what's on your screen right now. What does it say down there? The consumer price index declined to 2.3% in April from 12 months ago. The lowest reading since February of 2021. So this is coming directly from CNBC, folks. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. That, along with mortgage delinquencies. Is this going to help the housing market or hurt it? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's videos, because if you're watching this video, you're most likely concerned about what's going on over here. So that's what we're going to get to now. So my name is Dan Frio. I do this video 2 times a day to inform you guys what's going on here. And the reason why, I'm actually a federally licensed loan officer. I work at a federal bank, and I'm licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. But our slogan here is one application, one credit pool. We're going to shop your loan over 30 different lenders. Now, how do we do that? I'll give you my information at the end. So without further ado, let's get to these things. Basically, a stagnant market rate today when we have with mortgage rates, the stock market, look at this, it's down 200 points on days when we have it up 1,000 and so forth. Then you see a 40-point move, nothing really there. NASDAQ up 300 points, which is good. Some good news through here. We have Saudi Arabia making a major investments in the U.S. NVIDIA's stock is back up to beginning of the year lows. And then you have some of these things, Trump saying he will remove all sanctions on Syria. So a lot of these are going to be conflicting on a lot of news channels this evening. So let's just get to the mortgage stuff for today. So here's what we're seeing in the bond market. The bond market was just kind of flat today. It's really not moving anywhere. People were waiting for these numbers. Okay, so some inflation numbers came out today, the consumer inflation numbers. So what I use, if you guys watch my videos, I love using AI, and I use chat, is it GPT? I think it is, GPT. And I usually take these headlines and I plug them in there and say, decipher this for me and give me something like kind of, nice to read. But if you're seeing through here, I got a lot of grief earlier today when I kind of mentioned this, but I said something about, inflation's at a 4 or 5 year low. People were just blasting me. Check out the descriptions down below. You'll see. The consumer price index declined to 2.3% in April from 12 months earlier, the lowest reading since February of 2021.